In December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold, longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright.
Hello my cakesters, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kimmy Cakes. Today we'll be trying Jamaican treat. Let's go ahead and kickstart the video. The first treat that we'll be trying is called Cocoa Puffs, and we're going to try it together.
And I'll tell you, I'm glad to come out for this. I'm hungry, girl.
Jingle bell, jingle.
What did you say? Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs.
No, isn't this a plantain tart? Not me. What is Jamaican girl them there? Cause Kim come from far. This is a plantain tart. It looks like plantain tart. Is it like a plantain tart?
What?
Cocoa Puffs. It's a plantain tart.
No, it's of the Grater cake, something at the migo.
Guys, it's a plantain tart. It doesn't even come from here. It's a plantain tart. It's a plantain tart. Can the adult Jamaicans comment because Kim just come here last night? Who got plantain tart this? Cheers to the plantain tart. No, I'm ready. I'm not good at this. I'm ready for choke them with choke them. Cheers.
It's not plantain tart. It's coconut in the middle.
Yeah, sure, I am Cocoa Puffs. No, it's not bad. At first, I didn't like it.
A plantain tart goes look as the same.
That is so good.
Alright, me like a bird piece. Remember that again.
I like the pastry, but I don't eat coconut, so I don't even know why I'm here.
It's something in the middle.
It's like it's got the coconut drops.
The outside not have no taste. Me not like that.
But that's why I have to eat it together.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. You don't like drop them food, you know?
I really like girl. I like it.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
I'm not got too far, no 5. Same.
I'll give it a 6.
I'll give it a 4 out of 10 because it wasn't unbearable.
If it was a little moist though, I don't like it more. But yeah, past fresh. It was fresh, yeah, but
It feels. Yeah.
If you like coconut, you might like it.
Me take back my pants. Me give that 7.
damn. Well, probably can't go them it again. You know, say it nice, but I would say it's dry.
They say if it's fresh, it feel like it get one good 9 or
Yeah.
Like it was warm.
That makes us say when you warm up.
Maybe we should put it
But
on
try it. I'm coming on you
the
and tell it, oh, I like it for sure. Are you gonna eat it before?
The next treat is going to be Jackass Con.
Jackass or ass?
Jackass corn.
No, why? Guys came over there last night. Next
Jackass Con. Jackass Con. I love a Jackass.
I've never
Corn.
heard that.
Yes, I make a half moon. I eat alone and be have a street. But then I feel more full. That's an all inclusive.
She said she loves Jackass, guys.
That's what I heard.
Jackass, guys.
Guys.
Jackass, guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Take one of your Jackass.
You know what it's not them, but
Eat the ass.
No.
Yeah, guys, that's the sound I'm feeling, girl.
Jamaica,
This look actually like, you know, when my foot no lotion and make like AC.
I'll take the half, please.
You can't celebrate. Me love it. But I don't eat that brand here before.
Alright, so like, cheers.
that is not off.
That's not That is all? Come on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Supposed to have good teeth.
I'm gonna get my invisible head soon, so I don't really want the doctor to say, girl, I need that teeth. I'm not straighten them on straight now. Oh.
Now when I come
Everybody just started with them ear not prune.
Wait, but this tastes good.
Just like your ASMR.
This tastes good when you come down.
Oh my god,
This one soaking in some milk.
Give me some milk.
and you never want it.
Oh, you make this stuff. Where do?
I think that's sugar.
Look how much Kimberly brought the table.
I'm going for good teeth.
But I'm going to my best with you. I'm going to go.
You imagine having all the dentures and a trying to listen. Dentures are rough out there, mom. I love this Kimberly.
The name show me off and then it always tough?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you rating?
The flavor profile isn't bad. I'm sound like Gordon Ramsay. The flavor isn't bad. And this is another solid 5 for me.
What's that then?
It's too tough to get in higher.
You're there.
Too tough.
True, but I prefer this more than the other, so 6.
Okay. For me, it's at 8. It does tough. And as a name, it's supposed to be tough. But it's sweet, the right balance of
Why it's
sweet.
supposed to be tough this?
A jackass, yeah. A jackass is a jerk. It's tough.
It's tough.
A jackass is tough.
A jackass is like somebody
Actual
jackass.
And the actual jackass, you know?
No, it's not. Listen to me. It's called Jackass because I'm sure it has something to do with the fact that
It's tough.
a donkey could name this shit and feel nothing, but we can't. I'm really sure it has something to do with that.
Then you like piss me off.
I'm sure it has something to do with the consistency of it, that's why.
Hey Siri,
Ask them why. Google.
why is jackass corn
Called Jackass corn.
called jackass corn?
serious can't
Give me Siri, come like she don't say that.
Siri, don't suck a bite.
How much you rated Kelly? Cause then you said them.
I'll go a 4. The flavor nice, as she said, but I don't like the tough.
The texture is I know for me.
But now I'm talking
I
about
know.
my 9. You get a 7 cause my teeth, yes sir.
Yeah, and then imagine me.
Watch teeth you now, break your teeth in there now. What?
You
Strong
teeth
strong teeth.
The teeth still there come like 3 come out of all over the can.
And that me I said.
When I test my look at him, now give me a teeth and me a leave.
That me I said, but
Now
now
that
one
it's been
teeth
next 3 years.
The next treat is Grater cake. What have we eaten this already? When me I take both, I'm swinging at the both.
My fave. Hurry up. That's my fave.
When I go foreign and them say to bring this, if I buy 5 for my people them, then
I want them yet.
Okay, so now.
come and name them the whole of, before people left Jamaica, I'm saying, you know, like Chichi, name them down to the bone.
I eat them bambos and I take both. And look at my them come with them peanuts.
Space, I've never had this before. I heard you guys going off, but how?
Moment of
Like
silence.
coconut, so.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a report at Jamaican passport.
You can have it. A joke. This is the life.
Everybody is grumpy. That's like a little pea.
You know what I mean? Breakfast, you know?
I can't broke it first, come and love you. Remember, some minutes talk about the whole of my business.
Then you find remember them and put her store.
Well, cheers! The girl them give me a big piece.
You should remember childhood memories.
Look what he said. Imagine.
No man, the coconut not this strong. She not gonna like him. The coconut strong. I like that one here. That one here nice.
10 out of 10, sorry. Off the board.
Teresa pastry go on with yourself,
Big up
girl.
now, Teresa, she.
You're hungry, that girl.
It's not bad. Feel like coconut girl.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
So you know, like, you know, a lot of them things there.
I'm gonna give you. No, sir.
What do you think is a color?
Listen.
What is color?
She need the phone because
Me included.
Mira, how much you rate it then, yeah?
What's the color?
How much you rate it to you?
10 out of 10, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep tonight, but it's a sugar rush.
Don't.
No.
I'll give it a 7.5. It's good. If you love coconut, you will angle it.
Wow.
And it's not too trashy, because that's what I hate. Trash.
Guys, me and them down to the bone.
Not the boy.
Not the bowl.
Nah, none.
For me, it's a 7. The coconutty. You know what it is?
Cereal.
The punching.
Peanut something?
Yeah.
Me love peanut cake. With yeah, with ginger.
Yeah. The next treat is peanut cake.
I'm gonna take this time to say, Denise said she loved it and she didn't know what it was. So I don't know if that flew over anybody's head, but just go over that again. A merry little Christmas. Why are you gonna name it over?
No.
It's a little lamba.
Big bag.
The girl, I'm gonna
Merry Christmas when you come here, people.
Yeah? They said no, I'm not again.
have a peanut. Peanut color.
Sometimes it's a miss, sometimes peanut them tail.
Yeah, true.
Well, that's how I want. Yeah, man.
This is not too sweet. This is like the nuts come out of factory.
Me like snacks. Hello?
None of these are gonna eat peanut.
It's the same bar.
You should give me people.
Then me ever gonna sleep tonight with you?
My flesh sugar rush.
Spectacular.
Then how much I rate?
It's fresh, it's good. I'm gonna give it 7.5.
For me, I'm a 9.
Same, come really like peanut, but it tastes good.
It tastes good.
You know?
Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, I got time now.
Tell us a 10 card, 20 girl going 9.
10 out of 10 in the
Baby said no. I started getting a drink. Next treat is Gizzada.
Oh my god, guys, when I was a kid, my daddy used to bake it as a father used to bake Gizzada all the time. Y'all know my daddy is a baker. That's why I was a joke with rolls them from my back. Yeah.
Yes, I always say that.
No, yeah, my daddy.
That's a little joke.
No, for real, no. My daddy used to make those things and sell them. My daddy used to work at Juicy Big. My son know my daddy for. My father. Come here.
Daddy.
No, that's a penny pack. I'm trying to bring them down.
Me not a daddy, you know. My father dead, but some other father there, but them no there. Think about it.
That's a real talk. So, you know, what's up to the business? Then he said, like, what is wrong with them? Alright, we're done.
Wrap it off.
I'm gonna eat this cider.
Alright, go
Where she come from?
Give me a
Where she come from? Good Avenue.
You know what?
I've never eaten that.
Try it. I want a virginity. I grew up today. Love that. Try it.
What is?
Okay,
Okay, so Gizzada is like the bottom part is like a pastry crust, so it's like with flour and sugar and them things, and then in the middle is like a coconut base, like what you have in a Grater cake, but just like this is colored. It's a regular sugar mix.
Look at sister, you know about nothing about them something. I pay 3 chicks she grew up, man. Understand me? Gizzada, I pay a big foot sister eat. You understand?
I never realized it's like a bring down thing.
No, but me too, I don't know. Be a sun pack mix. No,
You wanna try this? The only thing my father couldn't make a water. My father made everything for me.
Blade, I live in. I don't know.
But then I used to make everything. My father make patty for me. My father make donuts. Yeah, my father could make everything.
And my father go buy last time. Can't come back. Oh, sorry.
No! At Christmas! We can't have a trauma dump at Christmas. We can't have trauma dump at Christmas. Trauma for the rest of the year.
I'm so sorry, guys. I thought we were reflecting on childhood memories. Cheers! Cheers to BC! Cheers! Woo!
No, kill me now. No, you see because my human dog.
Just give me one.
You see because my human dog can take everything in a minute for a box out of laugh.
Come back.
No. No, me just go in and I'm telling you, so we walk back home and I'm resilient. Just like all life, man.
This is like a dirt.
That one ain't good. Man, follow me better. Put on this grass. No want it. No, just like dog.
I think she tried to add spice in the top to make it taste different than the norm, and it doesn't make
You know,
it
so she
up.
not put it on the...
Just step on it.
Taste it, girl. Take a taste. Tell them mother say eat Gizzada.
Yeah, just step right on.
Tell her some. I have a bone to pick with you.
Everything.
Everything good. But the Gizzada, you know, she does add ginger.
Okay,
That was her problem.
No, ginger.
The ginger overpowered. Test Teresa.
So I can't cook, so I can't bring on girl them.
5.
Me like it 4.
I get
5 for the other ones I could eat, but like this.
the
I wouldn't
ginger.
eat it.
This I think if you have gas, say one like a burp. Look at the ginger strong. Here. 4.
More and
Your first time in a war, yo.
You know what? Something.
You're gonna live without it.
Something tastes so good. Pepper. Like,
The ginger. That's what I'm telling you, gas, to kill gas.
but I'm sure.
Just best friend feel better.
Then he said, I'll do it.
2 out of 10.
Okay.
you like it?
But thank you so much for your hard work in making these pastries.
Hey, girl, me.
2 out of 10, we don't like it.
Tell people about 10 stuff.
No, I said 2. eyes, yeah.
But you should whisper you could even hear. Like Teresa got some power reach out the door.
No, Teresa gonna say, hey, y'all, wait.
Teresa come up with the phone and say, hey, pull
Teresa, if
over.
you're seeing this, I'm very sorry.
Terry said he knew up everything else about him, and I
This is a message to Teresa.
Girl, I'm not telling you. Like a word. New Kingston.
So now I'm drink sometimes.
No, but Teresa, the bottom, I'm not letting Kimberly. We can't just look at cereal.
I think so. Me go on this a sip pan.
Introduce it. So cheers.
Here, there.
Alright.
So why you don't have any cereal again?
Allergic to
If
salt.
I don't
Move
drink it,
on,
I'm gonna drink it. You need to drink
But
it.
taste it.
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
How much you worried?
No man, I'm acting this man.
Me not drink cereal. I'm sorry. If you drink cereal during Christmas time, and you go seek therapy.
No, Christmas or not.
Yeah.
I drink cereal all through there.
Yeah.
Cereal is not a thing for me. I would not recommend it to a friend.
Y'all want to taste my mom's cereal.
I want my cereal with rum and with red label wine.
Yep.
But not like cereal.
The both of them.
Well, cereal combo. What inspired them to do cereal?
The flour. That's like our thing though, you know, like
A Jamaican alone did?
no, like us alone have it in this way. I think the others is more like a
Prepared food type of dish.
not really prepared with food, but it's different. They don't rub it up on those things.
Oh,
like,
we make it Jamaican. We
Yeah,
make it
that's
the cereal.
Mm.
Okay. Guys, we have our next thing with the dollar ready to eat, you know. Christmas cake.
yay! Wanna eat it? Wanna eat it? Let me see.
Then you say me don't eat it, I don't know.
Don't point at me. I love wedding cake, Christmas cake, any black cake.
I love
we
the
want
cake.
it.
I don't want no Christmas
Hell
cake.
yeah.
For my wedding, it's cheesecake. I love
Honest to God.
cheesecake. No.
Cheesecake.
My wedding cake.
Sugar
the
and
people that
spice.
will walk come on me, yeah.
Sugar and spice.
My dad is
You
black
guys
cake.
are brainwashed.
Disappointed when I got my mother wedding and I cut the cake. Bear in mind the cake was so pretty and when them cut it, I did mistake. So me
I would want to taste a fruit cake cheese.
That sounds nice.
Anyways.
That sounds great. That sounds good.
Everybody's taking a slice of the Christmas. Guys, this is a no-burn cake, literally, like it has no name.
What the hell are you cake from me if you
I
never
hope them
know?
not put too much shaded fruit wine.
Weird. They
You have to cheer.
Where the hell you get this cake?
I got it from the gas station. Gas station cake.
Cheers. This can't go.
This name bad. Boom, boom.
I forgot them, I swear.
So Kimberly could have said gas station that sell black cake and buy it?
Oh God, come on now.
I forgot what she done with some cereal. You know, I'm not drink cereal, so you know it's serious.
The cake tastes like perfume.
You're fresh there,
I said, buy it from a gas station. Let's buy black cake from a gas station. Little I'm mad.
no, then he said don't eat.
Because I'm my
We love black cake. It's not the best, but it's black cake.
so she come from.
0 to 10.
I'm not telling no lies. Some mad people really there. So
This one some white rum. Drink up on it.
this was that dash or something they want. Dash way. Sorry. Great don't watch too much Oliver. Remember say me all in us. I be Oliver my broke pan. So sorry.
Yeah.
Pardon my language. No, I don't want this. You get
4.
you get 1.5.
I would not give my worst enemy to
Alright, sorry, 3.
1.5 man.
Can you take one big slice? I'm gonna see slice. Go back here. Go back here.
What much it?
Wait there.
Yeah, it's of your size?
Me eat it, but me get a 4.
Oh, that's not bad.
And I love Christmas cake, so me get a 4.
Yeah, and I love
Okay, you
Christmas
should
cake.
go buy the Steph cake then.
No, Steph not bake.
So where the price mark?
Yup.
Tea
And
price.
everybody else the bacon. J bacon them thing like so yeah.
Okay.
Look like she like it.
Then he
I
said,
give it a
say,
7.5.
Oh!
I've had Christmas cake which tastes like dirt, and this not tastes like dirt.
This tastes like-
So,
You're not saying-
So you walk up on your butt?
Pauline tell me, Sarah, auntie, I sell Christmas cake, I'm gonna support. And Pauline, auntie cake tastes like dirt. What you want me to do?
Party.
No, you crazy?
Oh!
I have to protect the person's identity. Like, this is gonna add about the cake, if you know where, girl, it tastes like
I
dirt.
say go, Paul.
But not like Christmas cake. Christmas
Boy,
cake, let's see.
Like I'm say, Price Mart are the best. Then you know, so if we're gonna try, I don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
I know from nowhere because I'm gonna tell them in I plans here. You know, say anything as an excuse, we're gonna make it. I don't know.
Because I treat Christmas cake I buy every year too. So I love Christmas cake. I buy 3 of them.
I don't want to choose.
No, I don't want to come and like say them I love me. I don't know. It's again, they don't want my body, they don't want me to come back or something. I don't know. It's just like an intimate relationship. Something about it, I feel dirty. Like myself, oh my God, stop. I'm married. Stop it. It's so good. I'm always nice. My husband don't like black cake either. I rush in and end up with far.
I'm gonna have to try it.
Shane about big back side.
It does. Clear green. We're gonna take the party. Yeah.
But I'm gonna say the ILO cakes actually taste good. The birthday cake that I got,
No, I love cupcake. Them taste nice.
ILO are one.
Oh my
the
goodness.
Banana bread.
Yeah.
Hilo banana bread is so much.
I know that time we don't have to sponsor.
No, please. The next day,
Don't you say high quality, low price.
So we're gonna do it together, guys. High quality.
Sorry, 1, 2, 3.
High quality, low price.
I know. The supermarket that we know, where the quality is high and the price is low. But the commercial left.
This is the tamarind balls.
No, give me 15
I
of them.
need this.
I love a tamarind.
Me too.
Me more eat tamarind than okay, so feel a little tough. Let's try it now, yeah.
10?
Yeah, get this.
The knees, yeah.
They can't
Oh, weird.
Who made that one, you know?
Only cold.
Teresa can't make so much thing.
No, Teresa, you're going first.
Let me see her at the time, again.
Let me add quick door coming about
Yeah, put it in the slide.
Mama.
The bag of flying.
Bag empty.
Come back. That's too sour. I mean, I like no
This one is sweet, but the one is cool and sweet. It's sweet. You don't give me sour, man.
Eat.
I never did a Jackass card one. Oh, you got that.
Yeah, this
Somebody back.
In that place, yeah. And then man judge me.
The content creator is so crazy.
No, anyway. Somebody
This is shit.
I did this and I
8.5.
Then you said, can we get the rest of them since you did the race?
No, I ate 2 of them.
This is our next 3 coconut drops.
Last street.
Final.
One thing we do, as Caribbean people just love a coconut. No, but forget what people think we live on the beach.
That's true.
Yeah, coconut.
The muscle of this.
You know, yeah, when them say, yeah, man. Nothing, no.
Wagwan, man.
Yeah, man. Island boy.
What Island boy? So everybody's gonna take a piece. This is actually ginger in there. If you like to do it good.
I want me that Teresa again.
No, Teresa said I want to know she got messed up.
That one there,
It's not the name. I want to come back to business.
Bite-sized food. Grand Spin Road.
No, there's nobody at Grand Spin.
Me either.
You were.
My loving star.
Let's even take a piece of my love it, son. Too good. Let's get the bill.
What can I eat?
Tamarind.
I like this. Oh no.
Ginger. Guys, ginger in a tree.
To ginger man.
You love it too? When you take a second piece in case you love it, but I don't love it too.
Because of fear. But because I really love it.
It's to be just first get spent at the end of the people in my head.
Not because I love it.
You like it?
You can't eat. I'll put it over the Gizzada for sure.
No, for sure.
For sure. So I give it a 6.
That, yes.
This is all I get dog. I'll give this a 8.
Then in your first get spent away for that. You afraid that?
I didn't eat it. I rolled it across the table.
So she push it down.
So I don't eat it, Mitch.
It's my bad. I don't want to eat it. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. I give it an 8 out of 10 because it looks really good and presentable. Like when I said it got foreign, I love it.
Really like this.
So why not say the girlfriend somebody else?
Yeah,
No, but they love
foreign.
themselves there. They love it. They love it.
They need have a time, you
I
know?
don't know how to feel about it.
They're not easy to have.
One bag of pasta roll up in my belly.
But she said
There's a party
spectacular.
in my tummy.
That is it for the video. Let us know down in the comments which treat have you tried before.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Kimberly's channel.
And everybody right to say,
You don't want to introduce yourself.
Bye.